Every journey begins in the field, where ripeness meets precision.
Careful selection ensures only the best fruit enters production.
From vine to crate, every step protects freshness. The harvest now begins its journey toward industrial processing.
Transportation speed helps preserve natural sweetness and quality.
Efficient logistics connect agriculture with modern manufacturing.
Ahead lies a facility designed to handle thousands of fruits each day. Every shipment is tracked from field to factory.
The first stage of industrial handling begins upon arrival.
Now the harvest crosses the threshold into modern processing.
Inside the facility, controlled handling protects every fruit. The production line begins with careful unloading and flow control. This one's bruised.
Okay, removing it.
Initial screening helps maintain consistent product quality. Thorough washing removes contaminants gathered during harvest. Mechanical cleaning ensures uniform preparation for processing. Dry surfaces improve the accuracy of automated inspection.
Technology now evaluates each fruit with remarkable precision.
Sorting optimizes efficiency throughout the production line. Human expertise works alongside automation to maintain standards.
The fruit is now ready for transformation into juice production.
Preparation gives way to the first stage of transformation.
Precision cutting opens the fruit for efficient recovery.
Internal inspection confirms consistency before processing continues.
The valuable fruit is separated with speed and precision. Collected pulp becomes the foundation of juice production. Grinding creates a uniform mixture ready for refinement. Separation systems isolate the pure juice from unwanted solids. Filtration refines the product without sacrificing freshness.
Controlled storage stabilizes the process before final treatment.
Now the juice enters the heart of modern industrial refinement.
Advanced automation now takes control of the production flow.
Uniform blending guarantees consistency across every production run.
Data-driven control keeps the entire operation precisely balanced. Careful temperature management prepares the product for preservation.
Pasteurization enhances safety while protecting flavor and quality. Rapid cooling preserves freshness after thermal treatment. Automation maintains stable production around the clock. Stabilization ensures uninterrupted movement through the facility. The finished beverage approaches its final production stages. Precision packaging begins where processing ends.
Precision filling delivers consistency in every bottle. Sealing begins immediately to protect product integrity.
Every seal is measured for reliability and safety.
Verification systems ensure each package remains secure. Brand identity joins the product on the production line. Automated vision systems maintain packaging precision. Traceability follows every bottle throughout its life cycle. Individual units become organized, retail-ready packages. Protective packaging prepares the product for distribution.
The production line now enters its final verification stage. Before distribution, every batch must prove its quality.
Scientific verification supports industrial consistency. The first assessment begins with appearance and uniformity.
Accurate sampling ensures reliable measurement.
Composition testing confirms product specifications. Safety standards are validated through rigorous examination. Packaging performance is tested under controlled conditions. Results are verified before product release.
Only verified products move forward to distribution.
Quality confirmed. The final stage of the journey begins. Automation organizes thousands of products with remarkable precision.
Stable pallet formation protects products during transport.
Protective wrapping prepares every load for logistics. Every shipment is digitally tracked through the supply chain. Finished products await distribution across regional markets. Logistics teams prepare customer orders with efficiency and accuracy. The final link between factory and consumer is now in motion.
Careful loading preserves product quality throughout transportation.
And this is how modern factories produce watermelon juice from start to finish. From harvest fields to finished bottles, precision drives every stage of production.